Hey, this is Jamie. Got a little art tip for you. I want to show you how to use this. This stuff is matte medium. Matte just means it's going to dry flat. Medium is like the vehicle that your paint's going to be riding in. So, I've got this jellyfish painting that I've made for art class coming up on Saturday. It's going to be a little sip and paint event. Hopefully it's going to be fun. But I feel like I want a little bit more depth with these jellies back here. Get some separation from this guy and these two kind of messy fishies. So I'm going to use some matte medium. I'm going to use some ultramarine blue and just a touch of red. Now, more than half of my mix is going to be matte medium. Now I've already mixed some of it up here. You can see the white, that's the medium. I'm going to add some more white because I want it to be a little bit more see-through. So what you're basically doing is you're making a clear paint, a see-through paint rather. I've got some water to help me flow, and I've got a paper towel nearby in case I go a little too crazy. So what you can do with this is go into your dry painting, it's important that it's dry, and just directly paint over top of it. So I kind of hugged the jellyfish here because I don't want him to get pushed into the background. I don't want these other jellies to get pushed into the background. That wasn't dry. That's what happens when it's not dry. You can use this anywhere that you want to add a little shadow. Basically that's what I'm doing. I'm painting on a shadow now. It's keeping the colors that I've got down, but it's making them darker because I've got a dark paint mix and basically a clear paint. Dark streaks, not enough medium. I'm just going to keep working it because I've got a dry surface. Get a little bit of water on my brush, help spread it around. Still not liking some of the edges of it, so I can wipe it off with my paper towel. And that's it. That's what I got for you today. Matte medium, help you paint on shadows.